Hello, good day everyone. This is Pastor Steve Ineze. We are here for another lecture for today. Today I'm going to look at VLOOKUP. I will look at what? I'm going to look at what? VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. It's a function called VLOOKUP. If you are viewing for the first time, please, this is Garema Global Academy. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel so that you can see more of this daily. We drop our video daily and our daily tips, you can really get them. So please like and share our channel. Now back to our lecture today. We are looking at VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. Alright, let's go ahead. That's the heading there, VLOOKUP. Bold it. Now, I want to pick up some. What are we looking for? What are we going to look for? Let's I'm going to look for those names here. Let me just pick it from 4, number 4. To number 30 or photo. These are the things you want to look up. Let me copy them and paste them here. Okay, you can see what that's 2 column here, 3 column, the serial number, the names, and the gender. So here I write SL/N serial number. The other side is name and gender. Alright. Now, what to look for the strong people here, the strong students and the weak students. We look at the stronger student here and the weaker students in terms of activities in class. That's what we're going to look at for. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the stronger students and the weak students. That their status, I put status. Alright. Now, how do I get a math to know whether Emily Wilson is weak or strong? You are seeing in this main diagram. Now let's look at what do I apply. First of all, when you are working on lookup as what you should know. When you are looking on lookup formula, there's a rule behind it. Lookup does not look from outside this range. If you are looking for Emily, for instance, you don't go back and start looking for it. Start for the row to look for Emily Wilson. That's from the second row where Emily is. From this place where that's where you start looking for it, not to go behind of it. The formula will not look behind. We will look for where it must be at the front. It does not look backward. It looks forward. So when you start from the right to look what? Forward. It starts from the right to look forward. So that's what you should know. So here now say VLOOKUP. So equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup is the exception. Click it, activate it. Good. Now it said what are you looking for now? It mentions something. Said lookup value. What are our lookup value? This is our value we want to look out for. So we want to look out for this value. Our lookup value is this. Emily Wilson. Just select one first. Emily Wilson. We take comma. Now, say where are we looking for them? Which table are we looking for them? No, this is the table, our parent table. This is our parent table. So we're going to select our parent table. Select our parent table. Like I said, don't look behind. You select our parent table. Take it down. This is our parent table. This is the table we are looking forward for Millie and those other names. So you select it down and take comma. I put comma. Now, which row? That's okay. Next one is the index number, column index number. This I mean the column. Which of the column is this part? Well, which of the column you want to extract for them? Which column you want to extract for them? You want to extract the range. So they want to extract the age. We are extracting the age. No, we want to get their age. Oh, sorry, not their age. How strong they are, so as I said before. Know how strong they are, how weak and how strong they are. So what you should do at this point now, you check it. You count this. You count them. One. Start from here. Select from now. 1, 2, 3. This 3, 4. That's E. 4. I think it's around. Okay, it's K. K. You can't keep backward. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. That's 10. The 10th what? Column. The 10th what? Column. So we are looking for the 10th column. We said the 10th column. So take it down here. It should be 10th column. You click on this 10th column. So comma. Put comma. Now next we'll look at the exact match. First is the exact match. While true is what applies match. We're looking for exact match of it. We don't look for anything related to it. We're looking for the exact match. We click on first. Alright, so you can see that the formula, I take enter key. Well, strong, which means Emily is strong. You take it, you click down to get others. Alright, you can see that Emily is strong. Lawrence is average, strong, average, strong. So everything will be brought up. So you're able to extract what you want. For those people, extract them out and put them under this place. So that's how VLOOKUP work. For want to get more video, please subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and share our channel for many people to get the value. God bless you. See you some other time. Thank you.